What if your Galaxy phone could completely replace your Volkswagen car key? No key fob in your pocket, no digging through your bag. And in supported setups, you could simply walk up to your car with your phone and unlock it. Samsung Wallet is taking another big step into the automotive world with Volkswagen Digital Key. But there's one important catch. Not every Volkswagen can use it, and that could be a much bigger deal than you think. Samsung Wallet is no longer just a place for payment cards, tickets, and passes. With Digital Key, a compatible Galaxy smartphone can become your car key. The technology can use Ultra-Wideband or UWB to provide a more seamless, hands-free experience on supported devices and vehicles. Your phone can communicate securely with the vehicle as you approach. And if UWB isn't available, NFC can provide a tap-based way to access the vehicle, depending on the supported configuration. So instead of carrying another physical key, your Galaxy phone could become the key you already carry everywhere. And here's where things get even more interesting. Your car key doesn't necessarily have to stay with you. Digital Key can be shared with other people, such as family members or friends, through the supported Samsung Wallet experience. Imagine your partner needs the car. Instead of handing over your physical key, you can share a digital key. It's a simple example of how smartphones are changing the way we think about car ownership. The key isn't necessarily a piece of metal or a plastic fob anymore. It can be a secure digital credential inside your phone. But putting your car key inside your smartphone raises an obvious question. Is it actually safe? Samsung's Digital Key architecture uses security technologies designed to protect the digital credentials, including the secure element found in supported Galaxy devices. That means the digital key isn't simply stored like an ordinary photo or file on your phone. And if your phone is lost, digital key management and revocation mechanisms can help prevent someone else from continuing to use the key. So convenience doesn't have to mean giving up security. But here's the part that Volkswagen owners really need to understand. A software update alone doesn't necessarily turn an existing car into a digital key vehicle. The vehicle needs the required hardware and factory equipment to support the technology. And compatibility also depends on the vehicle model, software version, equipment, smartphone, and market. So having a compatible Galaxy phone doesn't automatically mean your Volkswagen will work, and owning a newer Volkswagen ID vehicle doesn't automatically guarantee it either. That's why this isn't simply a Samsung software feature, it's an entire ecosystem. Your phone needs the right hardware, your car needs the right hardware, and both need compatible software and configuration. So is Samsung Wallet's Volkswagen Digital Key a big deal? I think it is. Because this isn't just about replacing a key fob. It's another step toward a future where your smartphone becomes the central key to your digital life, and potentially your car as well. But before you throw your physical key into a drawer, check your vehicle's compatibility first. Because the biggest limitation isn't necessarily your Galaxy phone, it may be the hardware inside your car. So here's the question. Would you trust your Galaxy phone enough to leave your physical car key at home? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.